I don't know why Luxmary thought that I would fit into this, but I got 4 of them. So let's see, because these jeans have not fit me for years and I'd love to get back into them. Okay, I didn't believe it either. It actually feels really great. I love the straps. I love how it cinches my waist and the girls are protected perfectly. Nice back here, comfortable. Let's try the jeans now. This is the ultimate deciding factor. That just happened. Listen, they're having their biggest sale right now. Luxmary has over 100,000 happy customers, so they are doing a buy one, get one 50% off.
Here's the deal though, you cannot get this from their website. If you comment bodysuit, I will send you the link that you will need to not only get this deal, but I'll also send you my code to get you an additional 20% off. You don't want to miss this. Comment bodysuit now.